Jam. DJ Jumper Remix.
When I feel so sad and lonely, when my life seems pale and blue, I wish you're here beside me, here to stay my whole life through. You're the only one, believe me, who can make my dreams come true. Oh my darling, I need
Stop video muna.
Back.
Remix.
One, two, three, let's go. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Get funky with it. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Let's go to work. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Get funky with it. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Let's go to work. DJ Pawns on the mix.
Burning in your eyes. You look at me, babe, I wanna catch on fire. Buried in my soul, the California gold. Found the light in me that I couldn't hide. So when I want you, don't get up for the words. Every time you say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way.
Two, one, two, three, let's go. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Get funky with it. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Let's go to work. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Get funky with it. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Let's go to work. Work that body, baby. 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 Work that
Love
body,
is in the night, roads turn right. We don't know how to rhyme, but damn we try. We're all I know, you're where I wanna go. What I need from you, I'll never find. So when I want your love, I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. I don't wanna be just a little baby.
clap, clap, clap your hands. Get funky with it. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Let's go to work. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Get funky with it. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Let's go to work. Work that body, baby. 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 Work that body. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Get funky with it. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Let's go to work. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Get funky with it. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Let's go to work.
Okay, water break muna po.
Woo!
Water break.
Water break. Thank you, ha. Hi, Marlene. Welcome back sa US.
Water break.
Mainit pa ba sa Pilipinas, Coach Marlon?
No po, umuulan po. Papunta ko po dito, umuulan po, ma'am.
Oh,
Umuulan
wow.
po dito. Ano na po madaling araw, medyo malakas po yung ulan po.
Kasi it's July and it's rainy season, right?
Opo,
Yes.
late na, dati May. June, mga ganyan,
Pero buti dahil lamig-lamig konti.
Opo. Yun lang, pag
Kahingal.
umuulan, walang masyadong
Very-
magagawa.
Very effective yung mga moves niyo. Nakaka-sweat
Uulan
talaga.
po, wala akong masyadong klase.
Opo. Wala po dito, ma'am. Medyo
Naka-cancel.
po.
Opo, yung mga walang
Yung hindi cover.
Mga open court, mga open
O,
paso.
di,
Minsan
o
po
di,
kasi nakakagad yun eh.
sige, magdagdag tayo ng klase kung gusto nyo. Virtual. Let me know, okay? Twice a
Pag
week.
ano po ma'am po, sasabihan namin po kayo. I-update po namin
No,
kayo.
basta para maabiso natin yung mga members mag-join. Maabisuhan.
Okay, let's go!
All right, let's go.
It's Coach Marlon.
DJ Yuan Brian.
Press muna. Press muna. Stop video.
Backlog Fitness, Backlog Fitness.
I love fitness.
Maria Mariana, Maria Mariana, oh hinkalane, jalan sakoda de. Maria Mariana, Maria Mariana, oh
everybody, you don't have, just do your own pace, okay? Pag hiningal kayo, stop. Kasi medyo nasa middle tayo, parang hyper, ano na siya. But, you know, that's how Zumba is. Okay, just do your own pace.
Sa tuwing nakikita kong magkasama na tayo, naiinis ako't nasisira ang araw ko. At di ko alam bakit ba nagkakaganto. Sadyang nasasaktan kahit di rin naman tayo. Ang puso ko'y nagdurugo at parang sumisikip ang bibig ko sa tuwing nakikita ko na magkatabi tayo. Kahit di naman tayong dalawa, ay lagi na lang pinagseselosan siya. Bakit ba siya at bakit di na lang ako?
Ano meron?
Sana'y mapansin ang aking nadarama sa'yo. Hindi lang rin ako, sana'y mamatay na lang tayo. At di ko alam bakit ba nagkakaganto. Sadyang nasasaktan kahit di rin naman tayo. Ang puso ko'y nagdurugo at parang sumisikip ang bibig ko sa tuwing nakikita ko na magkatabi tayo. Kahit di naman tayong dalawa, ay lagi na lang pinagseselosan siya. Bakit ba siya at bakit di na lang ako?
Ganun.
This is DJ Jan Galius of Tablas Romblon.
The girl sees things nobody else can see. All of the secret fears inside, and all the time get through. My darkest hour of uncertainty, she just can't feel it. Nothing behind the birthday she believes in that day. It's something I never know.
of Tablas Romblon. Of Tablas Romblon.
Kaya mo naman na net,
Cool down po. Cool down po, mother.
Okay, cool down.
Coach
Oh, ang bilis ng isang oras ha.
Opo, kapag nag-enjoy po kayo, mabilis yung oras.
Ang galing kasi talagang
Sobrang nag-enjoy. The best.
sweat out talaga.
The best yung mga instructor natin.
Thank you so much.
Mga celebrity.
Mo sa akin kung sino aking mahal. Itanong mo sa akin, sagot ko di magtatagal. Ikaw lang ang aking mahal. Pag-ibig mo'y aking kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan. Ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Isa lang ang damdamin, ikaw ang aking mahal. Maniwala ka sana, sa akin ay walang iba. Ikaw lang ang aking mahal. Pag-ibig mo'y aking kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan. Ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Ikaw ang aking mahal. Ang nais ko sana'y iyong malaman. Sa hilaga o sa timog o kanluran, kahit saan ka man, layawin sa isip ka. Ikaw ang aking mahal. Ikaw ang aking mahal. Ikaw ang aking mahal.
Hey! Okay. Open your camera if you wanna be on the souvenir shot today picture. Kung gusto nyo lang, open your camera para sa ating souvenir picture of today. Ay, sorry ha. Naku, thank you so much sa commitment ng ating BMD dance crew. Kung alam lang natin, they are also full of commitment and we are lucky to have them. Salamat ng marami, BMD, sa inyong voluntaryong pagbigay sa amin ng kasiyahan sa pamagitan ng Zumba dance at kami nag-enjoy na exercise na, nag-enjoy pa. Tama?
Yeah.
So, everyone,
Thank you so much.
please join us every Wednesday natin.
Excellent.
Every Thursday sa Philippines and invite others from the Philippines. You know, this is global. You can share our or our Zoom meeting ID. Just let me know kung kailangan. Padala ko sa inyo para ma-share nyo sa inyong mga kamag-anak, sa inyong mga kaibigan. You know, in the whole world, in the whole world, number one killer ang lack of physical activity.
Yes,
Walang
correct.
exercise. You know, everything is nagiging chronic tayo, especially sa mga seniors pagdating ng age. So with this, we are trying to make the world change sa pamamagitan ng pagbigay natin ng, di ba Miss Yoli, makaprevent ng diabetes?
Yes.
Yes,
We're really
maintenance
trying
po ng
to
gamot.
help. At thank you sa mga tignan ninyo ang pupoging kaganda ng ating mga teachers. They have
Oo,
millions
Diyos ko
of
Lord.
followers.
Oo, millions pa sila.
Yeah. They are really going around the world already. Wow. One day, pray natin makarating sila sa
Ayun!
Los Angeles.
To the next
May passport,
level.
may passport na po kami. May makatatak na po yung ano.
I know. Hindi ka
Hindi po, bali
tayo
nasa
dito.
ano po kami. Promote po namin. Na-invite po kami sa Singapore. August
Wow.
23 to 26. Then sa November 24 sa Japan naman. Then next
Wow.
year, US.
Sige, pray natin yon
After
ha.
natin sa Dubai, cross country tayo sa ano.
Sa US. Ay, mother na po tayo. Papashare po na. Papashare na tayo.
Cross country na po
Oo.
kami na.
Thank you so much for helping us maging
yes, oo.
physically active at mag-prevent
Yes.
ang aming chronic. And sa mga nandito na sa atin, few of us only know that we have this program. We're really trying to help mga kababayan natin wherever they are. Nasa Australia, nasa Philippines. Basta Zoom click lang sila sa atin. Okay? Siya si
Suggest lang
Gwen.
po, ma'am.
Sige, thank you.
Ano po,
Thank you sa
yung
inyo.
hindi po
Carlo,
mapasok
thank
sa
you so
Zoom meeting live
much.
po, pwede silang sumabay sa live nyo, Mother Perla.
Sorry, Coach Marlon, what is it? Repeat.
Yun po, yung hindi po makakapasok dun sa Zoom sa live po natin. Dun sa Facebook page po na lang pwede silang sumabay dun sa live nyo.
Right, naka-Facebook live tayo. And
Diba kasi
they
hindi
can
makakapasok.
they can join the Zoom via browser kung wala silang Zoom app, and then can use their cell phone. Nena, hindi ba? You enjoy now the Zumba? Ang tagal-tagal mong hindi naka-join, yeah. But konting patience, share natin to, okay? You're all welcome. Salamat!
Thank you so much,
Thank you
Miss
so
Pearl.
much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm gonna end it now. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Bye, Miss Pearl.
See you
God
next
bless you.
Thursday.
Yeah,
Wednesday.
Thursday ninyo yon, Wednesday namin, right?
Ako.
Okay.
Okay.
So, next Wednesday.
Ingat po.
Oo
Next
naman, Wednesday
Wednesday.
namin. Same time, same channel.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Yo.